Peace, Prophet people. Welcome back to the Absolute Boss Collective. I am your host, Absolute, providing this quick update. The name of this video, does he really have $500 to give away? Or maybe I should call it, is he really giving out $500? Or is this legit? Check this out. I want to shout out all the kings and queens who have been subscribing to the channel, liking the videos, hitting the notification bell, sharing the videos with their friends, family, co-workers, neighbors, okay? We need to get the word out, okay? Your brother Absolute has the $500 right here. Here we go. Okay? I wanted to show y'all that everything is real. I wanted you to acknowledge the equality of the God. I'm sharing this video to let y'all know my ideal winner for this contest is someone who is interested in learning to navigate the stock market. Whether that be creating an investing account or creating a trading account or a combination of the two. Whatever it is, your brother Absolute has set aside these funds so that that ideal winner in my mind, someone who may not have the money to fund their account, can get blessed. I have the money right here to fund your account. Okay, that's my ideal. That was the whole reason I decided to launch this contest. And I want to thank all of you out there who've been listening and watching the videos. And I know you excited, baby. I'm excited too. But the only way we're going to be able to make this happen is by reaching 1,000 subscribers. Okay. So shout out to all my people who have been doing their thing. I'm just going to ask y'all to roll up y'all sleeves, man. Let's share this video. We should be sharing this video each and every day, each and every way. Let's get the word out. All you got to do is subscribe and stay subscribed. You need to watch and comment on at least 3 videos. Okay? You need to share the $500 giveaway video. And you need to drop your Cash App link on that $500 giveaway video. Now, let's say you are not comfortable with sharing your Cash App information. That's fine. On that $500 giveaway video, just put not comfortable with Cash App. And if you are selected as the winner, I will reach out to you and we'll find a way to get you paid, whether that be PayPal or some other medium. I just wanted you to know that this was real. The money is right here. We're waiting on 1,000 subs. We at 139 subs. We have come a very, very long way in a short time, 3 months. Let's top that, man. Let's reach 1,000 subscribers, okay? Share this video, man. Let your friends know. Let your family know. Let your co-workers know, okay? Now, if you are selected as the winner, even though my ideal winner is someone who's trying to start trading or investing, you could use this $500 for whatever you want, okay? Take your girl out. Take your man out. Take your children out. Take your mama out. Take yourself out. Treat yourself to something. You deserve it, okay? Here at the Absolute Boss Collective, we are all about financial freedom and empowerment, okay? The money is here waiting on 1,000 subs. Let's make it happen. This is your brother in trading and investing, Absolute, signing off for the Absolute Boss Collective. Peace.